I shall say, I know not what I await, or write how love has proven herself displayed toward me, who have so long loved her trade. And it is fair to me, however things are light, that I learned so fair a death's own shade. So colored and so made, few see her and are not kindled in a trice into her. Do not surrender, unafraid. Whose so sweet a love abandons thus, from great joy does he himself divide. But none may so abandon his pledge to us, who from her mouth might drink water betide. But if she slakes me not and lets me bide through love, and gives no get ungenerous, martyr shall I be, uncrowned, untried. She refuses so many a worthy guide. If her sweet glance denounces me,